to show you all how easy it is to make a shrimp spaghetti. This shrimp spaghetti is absolutely amazing. It's got so much flavor. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some shrimp. Beautiful shrimp we have here. I have large shrimp. You're gonna need a nice sweet Vidalia onion and a fresh clove of garlic, your favorite spaghetti sauce, or you can make it your own. Of course, you're gonna need some spaghetti noodles. When I choose my spaghetti noodles, we always like to use the thin spaghetti. Okay, we also are gonna serve our spaghetti with some good old garlic bread. You're gonna need some spices to make it taste good. We got salt, pepper, parsley flakes, garlic and onion powder, Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes, and a couple pinches of sugar. Make sure your hands are impeccably clean. Let's make shrimp spaghetti that tastes amazing. On our spaghetti. So I have water boiling. We've salted the water to give it flavor. I'm gonna set the noodles in here and cook them for 11 minutes. They'll cook up to perfection. Hope y'all are having a great day today. Anybody in the comment section below, let me know, have you ever tried to make spaghetti with shrimp or any seafood in it? If you haven't, you are in for a super treat. This recipe is super simple. Anybody you feed it to, they're gonna love it. The first things that we're gonna do is we're gonna take this fresh garlic clove and we wanna break it down. I like to take the side of my knife, kind of give it a nice whack like that, and it really helps to release that skin that can sometimes, you know, be hard to get off. Once you get the skin off, we're gonna double back with our knife, just like this, to get the garlic nice and fine. And then we're gonna put it into our pan that has about 1.5 tablespoons of oil in here. We wanna cook this garlic until it gets nice, beautiful, golden brown and fragrant. In the meantime, between time, let's go ahead and cut some onion, because that onion is going to go in the pan after our garlic gets nice and brown. All right, beautiful. Just a small amount of onion is only required for this recipe. I'm planning on using about 1/2 pound of the spaghetti noodles for this recipe. So this is something that I grew up on. My dad would sometimes even make spaghetti with scallops in it, and it was chef's kiss. Super delicious. And so that's where this recipe comes from, and I love it. I'll probably eat this whole pot by myself. Not really, but I could if I wanted to. So now let's get these broken down. Wait on our garlic to get golden brown, and then we'll put the onions in with the garlic. It has nice, beautiful golden brown color to it. Now's the perfect time. Go ahead and add that onion. That onion and garlic is gonna make your sauce taste delicious. Okay, so let's stir it around just a little bit. And meanwhile, I wanna talk about our shrimp. There's 2 ways you can do this recipe. You can season up your shrimp and saute them and then put them into your sauce. Or you can do like we're gonna do today, is we're gonna season them and throw them into the sauce without cooking them ahead of time before going into the sauce. But you'll see, once these onions get nice, beautiful, and translucent, which is clear in color, we're gonna put our sauce in and we're gonna season our sauce to give it great flavor. Translucent, we're gonna put my favorite sauce right into the pan, just like this, and now we're gonna season it. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of salt, okay? Just enough to make it taste good. We're gonna put some black pepper, because you need it, not too much. We're gonna put onion and garlic powder. Here's where all the flavors bloom and make this sauce taste amazing. Garlic and onion powder, just a pinch or 2 of Italian seasoning will really brighten it up. And if you like a little bit of heat in the back of the palate, throw you some red pepper flakes on, like I love, okay? When it comes to making any kind of red sauce, I do like my dad always did. He put a pinch or 2 of sugar in it. Not enough to make it sweet, but enough to give it an umami flavor, make them say umami, right? There's 1, there's 2. It's not gonna make it sweet, makes it taste good. Let this simmer. Oh, you smell so good. Garlic bread into the oven just for a couple minutes to get it nice and golden brown, but not too crispy. Sometimes I'll put parsley flakes on it to make it even beautiful. Once we get this in the oven, we're gonna season up the shrimp. Let our shrimp go into that sauce. Our noodles out of the water here in just a couple minutes. Now we're gonna season just easy seasonings. Salt, pepper, and garlic powder is all you need. Really, shrimp has an amazing taste by itself, so if you're one of those people that don't feel like it needs seasoned, You don't have to. It has a nice salty flavor already, fresh from the sea, right? We're gonna put our seasoned shrimp right into the sauce. And you know, shrimp does not take forever and a day to cook. When you get that beautiful peachy pink orangish color, they are done. Don't overcook them. Say you didn't want to make spaghetti. You can take the same recipe and serve it over rice. Absolutely amazing every time. Here's how I like to present my shrimp spaghetti. I take the noodles and put it onto the plate, and then you put your desired amount of sauce right on top. Now, for those that like to mix the noodles in, you can do that as well. Take a look at this sauce. This sauce is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's plate it. Listen to me. If y'all enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina's doing in this kitchen on a daily basis. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this meal. Take a bite. I couldn't be more excited. I grew up on this and I love it. And I love to share this recipe with my family. Oh my goodness. I'm going right in. Make it some. You're gonna love it.